It's 6 a.m., you hit snooze. The war just started without you. You don't see it as a war because no one declared it. The war started the moment discipline left the room. You're looking for motivation because you've already lost the battle for standards. Motivation is what you seek when discipline has already rotted. You're not lazy, you're not broken. You've simply outsourced your will. You're waiting for a feeling to arrive before you move. That feeling will never come. It's not supposed to. The men you see winning, they feel the same resistance you do. They just stop waiting for permission from their own body. You're trapped in a loop. You feel unmotivated, so you scroll. Scrolling makes you feel worse, so you scroll harder for relief. That's not laziness. That's a system destroying you on purpose. And you paid for the privilege. You volunteered for the cage. You know what happens next. You wake up tired, hit snooze again. The loop tightens. You're weaker every day you don't break it. Here's what separates the men who win from the men who search. The winners stopped asking why and started asking how many times. They made a decision that motivation became irrelevant. Discipline is what you do when the feeling is gone. Especially when the feeling is gone, that's where the real work begins. Stoics understood this. Marcus Aurelius didn't wake up motivated. He woke up and executed his duty because duty was the system. The system becomes your substitute for willpower. That's the leverage. You don't decide every morning. The system decides. You just execute. That's why motivation seekers always fail. They're still choosing. Choice is the enemy. Remove it. Build the system so tight choice dies. Your system is so iron, your body executes before your mind wakes. That's discipline. That's not motivation. That's freedom from the lie. Stop searching. Build instead. The war ends when you move first.